Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said, "A person is likely to follow the faith of his friend, so look whom you befriend." Reflecting on this wisdom, ask yourself, who are the friends you've surrounded yourself with? Do they uplift you, or do they pull you away from your path? Imagine a life where every friendship is a source of peace and encouragement. Today, we're exploring the 7 types of people you should reconsider having in your life to make this vision a reality. Stay tuned as we guide you through choosing the right companions, aligned with the true spirit of Islam. 1. The Gossipmongers. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, explicitly warned against gossip because it sows discord among people and leads many astray. If your friends frequently indulge in talking about others when they aren't around, it might be time to reconsider these relationships. Gossip not only harms those being talked about, but also contaminates your own heart, leading to spiritual malaise. Moreover, gossip can diminish the trust and unity within a community, as it fosters unnecessary suspicion and negativity. It diverts your attention from self-improvement to unnecessary details of others' lives, potentially breeding envy and discontent. 2. The envious. Envy is a destructive emotion that can erode the bonds of friendship and lead to resentment and ill will. In Islam, we are taught to avoid envy because it consumes good deeds, just as fire consumes wood. Friends who feel envious towards your achievements might not truly rejoice in your successes or support you during your challenges. Instead, they might wish for your downfall or feel bitter when you succeed. Surround yourself with people who genuinely celebrate your victories and encourage your growth. These are the friends who motivate you to strive harder and achieve more, all while maintaining a spirit of mutual respect and admiration. Seek companions who inspire positivity and personal development, helping each other to thrive in both worldly and spiritual matters. 3. The Naysayers. These individuals are characterized by their constant negativity and tendency to discourage you from pursuing your aspirations. Whether it's improving yourself, engaging in new opportunities, or following through with your spiritual duties, naysayers often find reasons why you shouldn't proceed. Their pessimism can be draining, making it difficult for you to maintain enthusiasm and optimism. It's important to recognize that a true friend in Islam encourages you to do good and pursue virtuous actions. They should uplift you, not drag you down. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, surrounded himself with companions who were supportive and uplifting. Aim to foster relationships with those who encourage your growth and believe in your potential to contribute positively to the community. 4. The arrogant. Arrogance is another trait to avoid in friendships. The Quran teaches us to walk humbly and treat others with respect, as arrogance can lead one away from the path of righteousness. Arrogant friends might cause you to develop pride and look down on others, which is strongly condemned in Islam. Such individuals often refuse to acknowledge their own faults and may belittle those around them, undermining the values of compassion and humility. Seek companions who are humble and grounded, who remind you of your shared humanity and the importance of modesty. These friends will not only help you maintain your own humility, but also inspire you to treat every person with the dignity they deserve. In fostering these qualities, you align more closely with the prophetic model of kindness and respect towards all. 5. The dishonest. Truthfulness is a cornerstone of Islamic ethics. Avoid maintaining close ties with those who lie or deceive. Dishonesty not only erodes trust, but can also lead to greater sins, as it lays a foundation of falsehood that contradicts the spirit of sincerity taught by Islam. True friends should be transparent, reliable, and honest in their interactions. This ensures that the relationship fosters a healthy, supportive environment where both parties can grow and rely on each other without doubt. Dishonesty disrupts this balance and creates an atmosphere of uncertainty and suspicion. Seek friends who embody honesty and integrity, as these are the pillars that strengthen bonds and build enduring, meaningful connections. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of being truthful, even when it might be difficult, as honesty leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. Conversely, dishonesty breeds distrust and insecurity, which can poison even the strongest of bonds. Moreover, friends who are honest contribute to a circle of trust and accountability, encouraging each other to adhere to ethical standards and moral behavior. Such relationships are invaluable, as they not only support personal and spiritual growth, but also uphold the communal values that are vital in Islamic society. Lastly, honest friendships provide a comforting assurance that you are not alone in your journey towards righteousness. You have companions who genuinely desire the best for you and guide you back to the right path when you stray. 6. The Manipulators. Manipulators are individuals who use emotional or psychological tactics to influence you for their own benefit. They might exploit your kindness, generosity, or trust, often leaving you feeling used and emotionally drained. In Islam, relationships are meant to be based on mutual respect, support, and sincerity. Therefore, it is important to recognize and distance yourself from manipulative people to protect your emotional and spiritual well-being. Manipulators often employ subtle strategies to control and influence others. They might use guilt, flattery, or deceit to get what they want. For example, they might play the victim to elicit your sympathy and manipulate you into doing things for them. Or they might give insincere compliments to gain your trust and then exploit that trust for their advantage. This behavior is not only unethical, but also deeply damaging to the fabric of healthy relationships. The Quran and Hadith emphasize the importance of honesty, sincerity, and fairness in all interactions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." This principle underscores the need for genuine care and consideration in our relationships, free from manipulation and deceit. Being around manipulators can have a detrimental impact on your mental and emotional health. You might constantly feel anxious, second-guessing your actions and decisions. Over time, this can erode your self-confidence and lead to a sense of helplessness. Moreover, manipulators can distract you from your spiritual goals and personal development as you spend your energy and resources catering to their needs and whims. Genuine friends provide a safe and supportive environment where you can grow and thrive. They respect your boundaries, appreciate your efforts, and support you without any hidden agendas. Such friends are honest and straightforward, allowing for clear and open communication. This transparency fosters trust and mutual respect, creating a strong foundation for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. To safeguard your emotional and spiritual health, it is crucial to recognize the signs of manipulation and take steps to distance yourself from such individuals. Reflect on your friendships and consider whether any of your friends exhibit manipulative behaviors. It might be challenging to confront this reality, but prioritizing your well-being and aligning your relationships with the values of honesty, sincerity, and mutual respect is essential. By surrounding yourself with genuine, supportive, and trustworthy friends, you can create a positive and nurturing environment that aligns with Islamic teachings. This will not only enhance your emotional and spiritual well-being, but also help you stay focused on your personal growth and faith journey. Remember, Islam encourages us to seek good company and avoid those who lead us astray or harm our integrity. Manipulators can hinder your ability to form meaningful connections with others by isolating you and making you dependent on them. They may subtly undermine your other relationships to keep you within their sphere of influence. It's important to break free from such toxic dynamics to foster healthy, balanced, and mutually beneficial friendships. In your quest for better companionship, don't hesitate to seek advice from trusted mentors or community leaders. They can offer guidance and support, helping you navigate the complexities of interpersonal relationships in a manner that aligns with your values and faith. Surround yourself with those who genuinely care for your well-being and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Distancing yourself from manipulators is an act of self-respect and a step towards fulfilling relationships that reflect the teachings of Islam. By prioritizing honesty and integrity in your friendships, you pave the way for a life filled with genuine love, trust, and spiritual growth. 7. The Tempters. Distance yourself from friends who tempt you away from your faith. These might be people who encourage you to skip prayers, indulge in harmful activities, or otherwise compromise your values. A good friend respects your beliefs and encourages you to maintain your commitment to Islam. Tempters often lure you into situations that are contrary to Islamic teachings, whether it's through peer pressure to engage in unethical behavior or by subtly undermining your religious practices. They might invite you to partake in activities that distract you from your spiritual obligations, such as excessive partying, engaging in gossip, or neglecting your prayers and religious duties. They may also encourage behaviors that are clearly prohibited in Islam, such as consuming alcohol, engaging in dishonest activities, or indulging in promiscuous behavior. These actions can lead you astray and create significant barriers between you and your spiritual goals. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned about the company we keep, stating, "A person is likely to follow the faith of his friend, so look at whom you befriend." This emphasizes the significant influence that friends can have on our behavior and beliefs. By surrounding yourself with those who tempt you away from your faith, you risk weakening your own commitment to Islam. Your companions can either be a source of support and encouragement or a means of distraction and deviation from your path. Being around such individuals can make it challenging to uphold your values, especially in moments of vulnerability or doubt. You might find yourself compromising on your principles, feeling guilty, or experiencing a sense of spiritual decline. This can create an internal conflict, making it difficult to achieve peace and contentment in your faith journey. Over time, you might start to rationalize these compromises, convincing yourself that certain actions aren't as harmful as they seem, leading to a gradual erosion of your moral and spiritual foundation. On the other hand, friends who share and respect your religious values can be a tremendous source of support and inspiration. They encourage you to stay steadfast in your prayers, participate in beneficial activities, and seek knowledge that enhances your understanding of Islam. These friends act as a positive influence, helping you to grow spiritually and maintain your religious practices. They remind you of the importance of adhering to Islamic principles and provide a support system that makes it easier to resist temptations. It is essential to evaluate your friendships and identify those that may be leading you astray. Reflect on whether your friends encourage behaviors that align with your faith, or if they tempt you towards actions that you later regret. Prioritizing your spiritual well-being means choosing companions who uplift you and respect your commitment to Islam. This might involve difficult conversations and decisions, but your long-term spiritual health is worth the effort. To build a supportive and faith-centered social circle, seek out friends who share your religious values and goals, participate in community activities, attend religious gatherings, and engage in volunteer work that aligns with your beliefs. By doing so, you can form meaningful connections with like-minded individuals who support and inspire your spiritual journey. Being part of a community with shared values can significantly enhance your commitment to your faith and provide a sense of belonging and mutual support. Mentors and religious leaders can play a crucial role in guiding you towards healthier relationships. Don't hesitate to seek their advice when you are uncertain about your social interactions. They can offer valuable insights and support, helping you to navigate the complexities of maintaining your faith in a diverse and sometimes challenging social environment. Distancing yourself from tempters is an act of devotion to your faith and a step towards a more fulfilling and spiritually enriching life. By surrounding yourself with friends who respect and encourage your commitment to Islam, you create an environment that nurtures your growth and strengthens your relationship with Allah. Remember, the company you keep plays a crucial role in your spiritual well-being and personal development. In the end, the effort to maintain a circle of friends who uplift and support you in your faith is an investment in your spiritual future, leading to a life of peace, fulfillment, and closeness to Allah. Strive to be that positive influence for others as well, helping to create a community of mutual support and shared faith. This will ensure a collective journey towards righteousness and spiritual success.